That big building has some special things going on in it.
That's the museum, it's huge.
Yeah. All right, so we're gonna go to the Cup of Noodles Museum. We're gonna make our own cup of noodles. But first, I think we're gonna be able to see the history of the museum. Look at all the different flavors, that's gonna be cool. So come join me on this cup of noodles experience. I'm excited. It looks like a legit museum in here. I don't know why it's so tall. First, start off with this huge monument in honor of Cup of Noodles. We're just getting our tickets right now, but I was curious. In your country, or just in general, what is your favorite flavor? One of the cool things about Cup of Noodles, there's a lot of flavors. Here in Japan, I saw seafood, curry. In the Philippines, I saw adobo or something like that. Shrimp, maybe. Let me know, what do you guys got in your country when it comes to Cup of Noodles? I'm gonna show you everything they got here. I'm looking forward to it, but I'm curious if there's flavors that you like or that you have access to that I can't even see here. I do wish I could find a trash here. There's not a lot of trash cans around to throw your garbage away. Here's my ticket. Scan it. Bam, I'm in. We just ate ramen, so I'm pretty full, but I'll tell you, I wouldn't mind some free samples here. Whoa! I didn't even know these are all from the same company. That is really cool. The history of instant noodles starting in 1958. Chicken ramen. And that's interesting how they spelled it. Chicken soba. Okay. So that one's ramen. That's soba noodle. Ooh, so they did have curry way back then. That's pretty cool. And then you start getting more variety over here. 1963. Okay, spaghetti. I wonder if that's got kind of a tomato flavor to it. 1971. We got the original cup of noodles. That's so cool that it still looks the same. It's really smart too. Oh, this is a soba. So that's the ramen, that's the soba. I didn't even know they had soba. They probably still do. And here's the curry. That's the original three right there. 1976. Got the little kids designed ones. That's Doraemon. That's a really popular kids cartoon. And look at that. They even have that yakisoba brand that I like. I used to eat that as a kid if I want a yakisoba real quick. All right, so now we get into some of the interesting flavors. We got chili tomato, pork chowder. That's interesting, that's a first. We've seen this a bunch of times, seafood. Then we've got vegetable, beef, bianco, which I have no idea what that is. China, just straight up China. Down here, there's a whole bunch of more fancy ramens. Obviously not cup of noodle, but still instant ramen. So red zone. これは何?
赤いシーフード。
赤いシーフード?
ホットチリ味。
Oh, I don't know what's up with that marketing, but it's there. We're about to make some cup of noodles. We have a scheduled time, so we have to go right now. I'm gonna come back and show you guys more of this a little bit later. I don't want to miss my time. Say hello. He's shy. Are you excited to make your cup of noodles? I'm assuming this is where you make your cup of noodles. I don't know if you noticed, but the people are at the tables designing their cups right now. 教えてお願いします。日本語大丈夫？
現金で一人1個
はい
500円で自動販売機。
ああ、これ使えない？
使えない。
ああ、はい、キャッシュだけ？
あれはただのチケット。
Ah, ja. Okay, so she said only cash. I put 500 yen. So it costs 500 yen. It's okay. I got it. There we go. And then you just press it. I don't know why. Why is there so many options? Okay. Oh, there we go. So you get your cup right here. All right, go ahead. Good. Push your button. Look below. Look below. Show me what you got.
6.
Whoa, she's got her own cup of noodles cup. Okay, I guess you gotta wash your hands here. Oh, wow. Fancy. It's just a mist. You know what though? You don't want to put your cup too close to that. Like put the cup right here. Really busy here. Look at this line. Wow. Long line. Where are we going? Where are we going? So we have to design our cup first. Once we design this, we have to go over there and line up to get it full. Let me show you what's going on. There's all these markers right here that you can use. I'm assuming this is a process where they put a block of noodles in there. You choose your flavor, and then you choose the toppings, which I'm gonna choose as many as possible, and then they do their thing. I know exactly what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna go America with this, okay? We're gonna go America with this. Red, white, and blue. Hey, this is dedicated to my American-looking friend. America! Yeah! Tanner, what do you think? Wow, of course, Juliana coming in with the art. Okay, that's pretty cool. Oh, let me see. Wow. This is really cool. I wasn't expecting to do this. I thought I was just gonna get to fill it with different flavors. I didn't realize I was gonna actually design and color this, make it my own theme. I just colored the front. There's so much more in the back you could do, but I'm good with this. Wow, that's cool. Here, turn it right there. I just want to see the front. Oh, I like that you did the actual letters itself. Can I see yours? Yours is cool. Juliana, show me yours. Nice. Nice. Okay, Mia, that's our finalized one. Juliana, cool.
Oh, I hate the purple.
Here's mine. American flag. Come on. Wow. After you're done designing your cup, you go in line and you get ready to put your noodles and your flavors inside. If you're in Tokyo, this experience is about an hour, hour and a half away, depending on how you get here. Taxi is gonna be the fastest, but it's gonna be expensive. The train ride, inexpensive, but it's gonna take a while. Try to get the limited express. Toyoko. Anyways, really cool experience, totally worth it. We just went to the Strawberry Festival. That video will go up either before or after this, so check that out. So if you do a whole bunch of stuff all at the same time, totally worth it. This, I'm glad I came here. I haven't eaten cup of noodles in a very long time, but I don't know if I'm gonna eat these. I'm gonna just save it for one day. End of the world type of food. Hi, Daijong. All right, so we give her our cups. Go ahead, girls. Come on. This is how you're gonna put your ramen into your cup, by turning this. I know that Leah's very excited. Huh? It's okay, go ahead, do it, do it. There you go, keep going, keep going. There you go. Okay, so this part is where you get to pick your flavor. Okay, and you picked up the chicken one? Got it. Hi. So Leah's picking the chicken. Hi. And then beef food. Hi. And beef chunk for Leah. Onegaishimasu. And she also wanted corn. Is that enough? Okay, daijoubu. Kare, onegaishimasu. Working on mine now. I picked curry. Negi. Green onions first. Hi. それは何? Hi. Kimchi? Hi. Nani kore? What? Nani kore? Oh, okay. Karai. Hi. All right. And then, corn. And then, you know what? I'll probably go kore. The cute chickens. I don't know. Is it tofu? Oh, it's rice cake? Oh, misete, mate. Oh, wow. There we go. Okay, so now they're going to go ahead and cap it and wrap it. Cap it and wrap it, baby.
Mia's is getting wrapped for...
Hey. There you go. Then it comes out nice and wrapped up. Next thing we're doing is packing our cup of noodles in this pillow of a bag so it doesn't get crushed on the way home. Mia, hold it up and show me yours. That's pretty cool. Any parent can relate. Yeah, one, how are we gonna get this into our luggage because there's 5 of us? But then secondly, I guess you're supposed to pop it anyways so it doesn't explode on the airplane. But still cool. It's kind of fun because you carry it with a shoulder strap. How do I put this in? Right here? Put it in here?
Yeah.
Okay. Put it into here, sideways. There's a little slot. Take the pump.
Don't be like me.
Put it in here. Then you pump it. There you go. How far?
That's good.
That's good?
That's good. You can pop it.
Yeah, don't pop it.
There you go. And you take this string or this small rope.
Then can we just eat this for dinner?
You want to eat this for dinner?
No, Mia. This is...
Yeah. There we go. We're probably the most slowest cup of noodle makers in the whole world. Bam! Stylish. Let me see your cup of noodles. Wow. There's this big picture of, I'm assuming, the founder, and he's eating some kind of ramen or noodle dish. There's this map showing Italy, not sure what country that is. Of course, China, Korea. We've got Indonesia, Malaysia. I apologize if I'm getting these messed up. I don't know that one. And then this is Vietnam. これ何ですか?
これは
ここ何? 私読めない。
ワールドメンロード。だ
あ
から
日本語でいい。日本語大丈夫。
パスタとか、
はい
アジア、
はい。
で韓国、
あ
でトムヤンクンとか中国とかマレーシアとかそういういろんなところのこのヌードルがワンコインで食べられる場所。
おー。でもこの人は誰？
この人は誰なんだろう。
Founder？
あ、この人がこの人がその麺のいろんな開発をした人。いっぱいいろんなの食べてチョイスして。
Okay, so Yuria said this is a restaurant where you can try all these for really cheap. And by the way, I should have probably paid attention. I was looking at the camera too much. This is Thailand. And the one up here, Kazakhstan. It's right there on the map. But this is a guy that his job was to study all these different noodles and maybe determine what was good. If you understand Japanese, let me know if I said that correctly. Because I can understand just about everything. It's just not all clear to me, some of the more advanced words. これは何ですか?
これはカップヌードルアイス。
Okay, this is cup of noodles. That's actually ice cream. これ本物 toppings? Or am I?
本物かもしれない。
Oh, she thinks this is the actual toppings on soft serve ice cream.
食べてみないとわからないけど、これがカレー。
Yeah.
カレー味、カリー。
Wow, that's interesting. Well, you can try this here. I don't know if we'll do that.
Daddy.
Kira says, what? What do you say about this?
It's just ice with flavor.
It's ice with flavor, so it's not a dessert?
Even though it tastes good, doesn't mean it's a dessert.
Okay, well,
Okay, sure.
we had a lot of ice cream.
That's
and
ice cream.
we had a lot of dessert today. Too much sugar.
This isn't even sugar. It's fruits. It's fruits.
Here's a view from the deck outside. Get a little fresh air. Very nice. Hey, where do you want to go? Oh, you want to go in the elevator?
Yeah, we're gonna go
This
get
girl
some
loves her
ice
elevators.
cream.
Why? Why do you love elevators and escalators? Oh, you like movement? Oh, that's pretty awesome. Well, this is cool. It's a playground made out of the boxes of cup of noodle packages. And we're back. We're back to this room. Let's continue exploring all the different flavors. Come on now. Baritone. I'm not familiar with that at all. Stew noodle. If you guys get a chance to try this, definitely pick up a few of these. There's actual vegetables that's freeze dried in it, so once you rehydrate it, you got vegetables in instant yakisoba. Not sure what this is, but it's a cool package. Okay, this is new. Cheese curry. The things that they add cheese to, very interesting. Okay, need some more stamina? Here you go. You got a cup of noodles for that. Looks like they got some fancy cup of noodles. Japanese taste, that's what it says on the package. Sausage. There's a whole bunch more, but I'm not gonna be able to get to all of them today. I don't know if this is the first time they had kimchi, but it's in the 2005 section. I have a feeling they had it before, but this is the first one I've seen. Ooh, miso. We got some bacon, wild chili pepper. Okay, this is my jam for sure. Spicy curry, I'd take that. If I saw that, I would totally buy it and try it. What the heck? Milk curry? Huh. Even though that sounds kind of unique and maybe different, it's very common here to put, I think, soy milk. Yurie was saying that it's very common for women to like that flavor. Maybe that's what they mean by milk, but that's the first time I've ever seen that. They've got some diet options. Again with the cheese and tomato this time. Oh, I don't know. This is probably where I stop my exploration. Milk seafood. Ugh. Oh, look at this. Refill. So you don't throw it away and you just refill it. Oh look, here, I'll show you on the packaging. Shows a little bit what to do. Interesting. Regular size, king size. Garlic kalbi, white cup of noodles. That's about it. There's a ton more to explore, but there's just too much for this visit alone. You know, I thought this was just gonna be something that was cool for the kids, but I genuinely enjoyed my time here. Now, I love cup of noodles. I haven't eaten in a long time, but I grew up with cup of noodles. It was really cool getting to make my own. Mostly not because of the noodle part, it's the designing of your cup of noodles. Definitely worth the visit if you're here in the Yokohama area. Takes about an hour and a half, but if you combine it with other activities, it's worth the trip.